Customers ask us, well, what do we do if we purchase this vehicle and we are out of state? That's actually a really good question, because a lot of them are worried, hey, can someone else maintain this car and to do everything properly and do all the maintenance? Well, good news is we have a couple carriers that we recommend, and most of our customers actually ship the vehicles back to us so we can go through them in a couple years, do the services, and we ship them back. And that's actually a pretty simple job. I know that some of you are worried about taking them to the dealer because the dealers can start removing stuff, and because they don't do performance mods, they really don't sometimes know exactly how to put them back together, and they can mess them up. So that's where we come in. Competent shops that specialize in these cars should have a good idea, but of course, if you want to have a peace of mind, we could always work on it, and that's majority of what our customers do. They'll ship them to us. We have pretty amazing cars that get shipped to us just about weekly. We do offer that service, so rest assured there's really nothing to worry about. Now, this car will come with several different maps, so depending on how you want to switch it up, but most of the time we can just set it up how you want it, and if you want to go to more of a stock map, you can do that. And so there's a lot of options that are available, and this car will do it all. So if this is a vehicle you've been looking for and you want a reliable high horsepower vehicle, this would be the one. There is not one like this for sale. I know some of you have reached out and said, hey, you know, you're asking this price, but I can get one for X amount. Well, you can go do that, but you will not find one that has 100K invested in it. Of course, it includes the clear bra protection already and all the options that I've already listed. So it is already well equipped with the tires, with the wheels, and we're a known shop, so the quality that goes into it and the person behind that does the work really cares about what he does. Attention to detail is what we do here at Top Automotive. So when you're getting a car like this, you know that it's going to be done right. So there is not one like this for sale, and I think this is the only one that I've seen with the sport design, with the upgraded clutches. And what I'm talking about here is when you're pushing power like we have here, we're not running stuck clutch setup. And most of the guys that we have seen do performance mods, they actually will crank these out with MS-109 race fuel, and they'll run stock clutch system. And that causes premature wear on the clutches. So these already have the stage 3 clutches, which can handle way over 1200 wheel, and so you have a peace of mind here that you don't have to deal with it. You already have all the upgrades, and the car is not pushed to the max, and it has a really good power balance. If it wasn't raining, we would take it out for a spin right now, but we don't drive this car in the rain. It actually has never been out in the rain. There's a lot of components, and the way we actually routed the whole fuel system, it's all protected, fire rated, and everything is done where you don't even see the lines. So with the alcohol injection, it doesn't mean that you're going to have to worry about constantly putting alcohol in. You can drive this vehicle normally. Now the M1 fueling just gets replaced depending on how you drive. So if you drive very aggressively, so it will inject, and it'll actually indicate that you're low, and you'll again install some moonshine, which is going to be an M1 type of alcohol, but it will tell you ahead of times, and very easy to install. You can buy this stuff anywhere online from any racing website. A lot of different race shops use this product, and probably some local race shops will actually have it in stock. Everything's made with ease, so you'll just use one of these cans like we have here, and it's got like an on switch, and you open up the lid in the front and you just fill it up. It's real simple, and you can have a couple of these and it'll last you a long time. So pretty simple. Of course, if you drive it and you're aggressive with it and you're going into boosts, you'll run through the M1 stuff probably in about a couple days if you're just pounding on the car. But other than that, you won't have to do any of that very frequently as far as adding the fluid.